Hi, today I want to talk to you about a feature in QED.net called automatic run creation. This feature allows users to automatically generate solves for a given set of metrology files. This has a number of use cases, including comparing solve results for the same part using different solver settings, or simply being able to automatically generate a large number of polishing runs with just a few clicks. While we do have detailed information available in our help system, I want to take this opportunity to demonstrate what it is and how it works. Before we get started, one thing we need to do is set up a filter. A filter is important because it helps determine where solves will get saved. To set up this filter, go to Administration, Configure Application, and select Automatic Run Creation. Here you can right-click to add a new filter and click Apply. On this second tab, you have the option to specify the destination workspace as well as some other advanced commands, but for now, this is all we need. With that out of the way, we can now open the Auto Run Creation screen from the Procedures menu. On this screen, we just need to make sure we have an active filter in the Options menu. Then we can select one or more process steps, one or more spots, and one or more metrology files. All that's left to do is hit this green play button to begin generating solves. Just a side note, you don't have to select multiple process steps or spots, but there are cases where it might be beneficial to see how the solve is affected by different inputs. Here you can see it's using the solver settings for my process step and automatically generating solves for each of the 5 metrology files I selected. These solves are then getting saved to the workspace that we had configured in our filter. Now that it's done automatically generating solves, a menu pops up where we can take a look at the results. For example, we can click on this arrow in the Run ID column to open up the production view. This includes our spot, metrology, and now a valid solve. This part and the 4 others are now ready for polishing. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and as always, feel free to reach out to the Applications Engineering group with any questions.